Please all rise. The Honorable Judge, Reynald Gabordo is presiding.
You may be seated. Today's case, Mr. Domingo versus Mr. Francisco. Is the plaintiff present?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the defendant present?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please be seated. Plaintiff, what are your claims today?
Thank you, Your Honor. My client is bringing a case for this table for creating disturbance with excessively loud music at unreasonable price. This noise has affected my client's ability to sleep, concentrate, and overall well-being.
Defendant, how do you respond to this allegation?
Your Honor, Mr. Francisco denies these accusations. He maintains that he is a considerate neighbor and that any music played was within reasonable limits. He believes Mr. Domingo is overacting.
Understood. Let's proceed. Plaintiff, you may call your first witness.
I called Mr. Domingo to the stand.
Mr. Domingo, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Please be seated.
Mr. Domingo, can you describe the disturbance during this meeting?
Kakagabi, nakakaligaw ang ingay sa bahay ko ni Mr. Francisco. Nababaliw na ako sa ingay na yan.
How long has this been going on?
Kakagabi,
No further questions, Your Honor.
Defense, would you like to cross-examine?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Domingo, can you prove that the music was coming specifically from my client's house?
siya lang yung kapitbahay ko na palaging malakas ang kapatid ko. Gabi-gabi na yan.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Domingo. You may step down. Call your next witness.
I call the neighbor, Mr. Marco Tristan.
Mr. De La Cruz, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Oo. Please be seated.
Proceed.
Mr. De La Cruz, narinig mo rin ba ang ingay na galing sa bahay ni Mr. Francisco?
Oo, lagi ko narinig ito yung gabi. Akala ko galing sa ano ko eh. Sa radyo ko sa yun eh.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Mr. De La Cruz, you may return your seat. Plaintiff, any other witnesses?
No, Your Honor.
Depends. Do you have a witness to all?
I call Mr. Francisco to the stand.
Mr. Francisco, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? I do. Please be seated.
You may proceed.
Mr. Francisco, did you ever play loud music that disturbed your neighbor?
Hindi totoo. Sakto lang kasi ng tugtog ko. Tsaka itong mga nakaraang araw, wala ako sa bahay.
Do you have any proof?
Yes, meron akong flight ticket at hotel receipt.
No further questions.
Greenwich, you have a question?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Francisco, you may return your seat. Very well. You will now hear closing statement. Thank you.
Your Honor, Mr. Makayan has been disturbed by defendants. The evidence may be circumstance, but it points to the defendant. We ask that you consider the impact this has had on Mr. Nicola.
Defense?
Your Honor, there is no solid evidence linking Mr. Francisco in my complaint. He's been respectful and open out of town. We ask that you dismiss this unfounded feelings.
Thank you. The verdict will now be deliberated. After hearing both sides and reviewing the evidence, I found that there is no definitive proof linking the noise disturbance directly to the defendant, Mr. Francisco. Case dismissed.